The United States is home to some of the most cutting-edge technologies the world has ever seen. From Silicon Valley's innovations to secretive defense search labs, America continues to lead in tech that pushes the boundaries of science and imagination. But what are the most advanced technologies the US is working on today? Let's take a quick tour to some of the most mind-blowing innovations that are shaping the future right now. Imagine a fighter jet that can think and react faster than a human. That's the power of artificial intelligence being integrated into military technology. The US Department of Defense is investing billions into autonomous drones and AI-powered systems that can make split-second decisions in combat. These systems aren't science fiction anymore. They are real, and some are already being tested on the battlefield. Then there is quantum computing, a technology that can completely revolutionize cybersecurity, weather forecasting, and even drug development. Companies like IBM and Google, along with government-funded labs, are racing to build quantum processors that are millions of times faster than traditional computers. It's still early days, but once quantum tech reaches full potential, it could change everything from national security to healthcare. Space is another frontier where US technology is blazing trails. NASA, along with private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin, is working on reusable rockets, moon bases, and even manned missions to Mars. Starship, the most powerful rocket ever built, is designed to carry humans and cargo into deep space. And this isn't a dream for the distant future. Test flights and lunar missions are already underway. But one of the most jaw-dropping advancements is in biotechnology. Scientists in the US are developing gene editing tools like CRISPR that can literally rewrite DNA. This technology has the potential to cure genetic diseases, extend human life, and even enhance physical and mental abilities. It raises ethical questions, but the possibilities are truly revolutionary. Even underground, amazing things are happening. The Hyperloop, a vacuum-based high-speed transport system, could soon connect cities at speeds of over 700 miles per hour. It sounds like sci-fi, but real test tracks are being built, and prototypes have already carried passengers. This could redefine how we travel across the country. And let's not forget the rise of augmented and virtual reality. From advanced military training simulations to immersive education and entertainment, the US is pushing the limits of how we interact with digital worlds. With companies like Apple and Meta investing heavily in wearable tech and mixed reality, we are stepping closer to a future where physical and digital life blend seamlessly. In the end, America's technological edge is not just about having cool gadgets. It's about vision, investment, and relentless innovation. From AI and space travel to biotech and quantum computing, the United States is shaping the future, one breakthrough at a time. And the best part, most of the future is being written right now. If you found the video informative, don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe my channel IT with Faisal. See you in the next video with another topic.